Home Depot sells the same DeWalt chainsaw kit for $829. Costco sells it for $499.99. That is a $329 gap on the same brand, the same model, the same battery system, and the same warranty. Not during a Black Friday sale, not during Spring Black Friday, not during the Memorial Day event, the July 4th event, or any of the other named sale windows Home Depot runs throughout the year. $499.99 is what Costco charges on a Tuesday in February, and that gap is not an accident. Home Depot runs at least 5 named sale events every year: Black Friday in November, Cyber Monday, Spring Black Friday in April, Memorial Day, and the 4th of July savings event. Each of these events is marketed with urgency language. Limited time, while supplies last. Doorbusters. The clear implication is that these events represent the lowest prices of the year on the tools you want. For some products, that is true. For a surprising number of others, including some of Home Depot's most prominent brand partners, Costco's everyday price is lower than or equal to what Home Depot offers on its biggest sale day of the year. And Home Depot knows this well enough to have written it into its price match policy. Costco is explicitly excluded. If you bring a Costco price into a Home Depot store and ask them to match it, they will tell you they do not match wholesale club prices. There is no equivalent Carve-Out at Costco, because Costco does not price match at all. It does not need to. The reason this gap exists comes down to how Costco is structured at its core. Costco carries approximately 4,000 stock-keeping units per warehouse. A typical grocery store carries 30,000 to 50,000. Home Depot carries tens of thousands. That limited selection gives Costco extraordinary leverage in negotiations with the suppliers it does choose to work with. When DeWalt agrees to put its chainsaw kit at Costco, it agrees to pricing that reflects Costco's commitment to moving volume on a small number of lines. With a membership base of over 130 million people and annual revenues approaching $223 billion. Costco's internal rule, enforced for decades, caps branded product markups at 14% above cost. That ceiling is not a suggestion. It is structural. Home Depot's margin model does not operate under the same cap, which is why its everyday price on the same DeWalt chainsaw is $329 higher, and why its sale events exist in part to bring that price temporarily toward where Costco already sits. But the chainsaw is only the first comparison. The DeWalt 60-volt max 7¼ worm drive circular saw kit is $399.99 at Costco. At Home Depot, it is $499, a $100 gap on one of the most commonly purchased cordless saw platforms in the country. The DeWalt 8-gallon Stealth Sonic wet dry vac is $94.99 at Costco, $133.94 on Amazon, and over $120 at Walmart. The DeWalt 6-gallon wall mount wet dry vac is $124.99 at Costco and $199.99 at both Home Depot and Amazon. That is a $75 gap on a shop vac. These are not sale prices at Costco. They are the prices posted on the shelf on a random Wednesday. And this is where the story gets significantly interesting for anyone who does not already own a DeWalt platform. The Greenworks 24-volt 4-piece power tool combo kit at Costco, a drill, a circular saw, a reciprocating saw, and a multi-tool, all on one battery platform with 2 batteries and a charger included, is $299.99. It is a Costco-exclusive configuration. When Costco members register the kit, the warranty doubles from 3 years to 4 years. An equivalent Milwaukee M18 setup covering those same 4 tool categories costs upward of $2,000. Home Depot's best Black Friday 2024 deal on Milwaukee was a drill and impact driver combo kit for $99. 1 tool, 1 battery. 2 tools for $99 at Black Friday versus 4 tools, 2 batteries, a charger, and a 4-year warranty for $299 year-round. The math does not require a sale calendar to work. A tool guide analysis of Home Depot's Labor Day 2025 deals specifically documented that multiple tools advertised as Labor Day deals were priced above their normal non-sale prices. The headline said Labor Day savings. The actual prices were higher than they had been the week before. This is not unique to Home Depot. It is a documented pattern across retail sale events. The urgency framing of a named sale window reliably causes buyers to act on prices they would scrutinize more carefully on an ordinary day. Costco has no named sale events. It has one price, held until the item is gone or marked down further, and a membership model that makes running promotional theater unnecessary because the everyday price is already the answer to the question. Here is the detail that most buyers miss when they compare these two stores on a Black Friday weekend. Home Depot's 90-day return policy on most tools means that a purchase you regret, such as a combo kit with a tool you don't use or a shop vac with a motor that fails 2 months in, is only returnable for a limited window, after which you are dealing with the manufacturer's warranty process. Costco's return policy on tools has no practical time limit. It is an unlimited satisfaction guarantee. If a Greenworks chainsaw fails 18 months after purchase, you bring it back. If a DeWalt vac develops a problem 2 years in, Costco takes it. The tool bundle at Costco is not just priced lower every day of the year. It is also covered by the most generous return protection in retail every day of the year. That is not a sale. That is structural. The next time a Home Depot Black Friday email lands in your inbox with countdown timers and limited quantity banners, the question worth asking is not whether the sale price is good. The question is whether that sale price beats what Costco has been charging since January. On the DeWalt chainsaw, no. On the circular saw, no. On the shop vac, no. On a 4-tool Greenworks bundle that outperforms its Black Friday Milwaukee equivalent on both price and warranty coverage, no. The sale event is real. The urgency is manufactured. And Costco's price does not need a timer. If this changes how you approach the next tool purchase, subscribe. There are more stories like this, and the best ones are hiding in the pricing you thought you already understood.